So now we're going to take a look at subtracting with sign numbers. So sign numbers, again, means numbers that have positive and negative signs in them. And the rule that we know about for subtracting with sign numbers is shortened as K, C, C. If you watch the video in class, you should remember that subtraction doesn't exist. So we put a KCC above each portion of this expression. K means keep the first digit exactly the same, so I'll keep -5 as -5. C means change subtraction to addition, and the second C means change the second digit to its opposite sign. The opposite of -3 is going to give me +3. So now my new expression says -5 plus +3. If you remember the rules of adding with sign numbers from the previous video, when you're adding with different signs, you must subtract, so 5 minus 3 equals 2, and take the sign of the larger digit. The larger digit here is 5, so that's going to give me a -2. Final answer, -2 here. Dropping down to the next one, let's take a look at 6 minus 10. Well, I know subtraction doesn't exist, so I'm going to apply K, C, C, as soon as I see subtraction as my original operation. I will keep +6 as +6. I will change subtraction to addition because subtraction doesn't exist. And to balance out the flipping of that operation, I have to change 10 to its opposite, which is -10. Now I'm looking at a problem that says +6 plus -10. So I'm adding with different signs. If you remember from the previous example, when we're adding with different signs, we have to subtract. So larger digit minus smaller digit, 10 minus 6 is 4, and take the sign of the larger digit, which is 10. 10 is a negative sign, so the final answer here would be -4. Now, if we drop down one more time, I have a subtraction problem with decimals. You can apply the rules of working with sign numbers to working with decimals or fractions that have positive and negative signs as well. So I'm going to put my K, C, C above this problem, and I'm going to keep -3 and 42/100 exactly the same, change subtraction to addition, and change 5 to its opposite, which is -5. Now my new problem has addition with same signs because both of these numbers are negative. When we add with the same signs, we add the digits and keep the sign. So I will add up 3 and 42/100 plus 5. My decimals have to be in a straight line, so I would make the whole number 5 look like $5. Bring my decimal straight down into my answer, and then begin to add. 2 plus 0 is 2, 4 plus 0 is 4, 3 plus 5 is 8. And remember, same signs, add and keep. So I have to keep the sign that both numbers had originally, which is negative, in my final answer. Final answer becomes 8, -8, and 42/100.